Guys, in this video I'm going to show you a brand new strategy that you can use to be able to make money with affiliate marketing, taking advantage of YouTube Shorts and the upcoming elections. Now, the best thing about this strategy is that you do not need to record your face or you do not need to record your voice. Now, before we get into the content of this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of what you need to do to be able to make money with this strategy. If you're new to this channel, first I want to welcome you. My name is Carlos, and in this channel I share with you the best strategies that you can find online to be able to make money from home. And if you're interested in doing that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. In that way you don't miss any of my content. Now let's jump over my computer so I can show you step by step how you can make money taking advantage of affiliate marketing YouTube Shorts without having to show your face or record your voice. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing and YouTube Shorts. On step number 1, I will show you the niche and the product that you need to promote. On step number 2, I will show you how to create these YouTube Shorts without having to show your face or record your voice. And on step number 3, I will show you all the tools that you need to put these strategies in practice. Now, the first step that you have to do is that you need to open an account with ClickBank. ClickBank, it is a marketplace where you can go and find offers that you can promote as an affiliate. Now, this website ClickBank is 100% free. All you need to do in order for you to be able to open an account with ClickBank is that you need to go to your right corner. Over here you're going to find a button that says start here. You're going to click this button and it's going to take you to a questionnaire. In the questionnaire, all you need to do is that you need to answer these questions, and then you're going to be able to open an account with ClickBank. It is 100% free, so this is great. Now, the second step is that you have to open a YouTube channel. Now, creating or opening a YouTube channel, it is 100% free, and if you do not know how to do it, all you have to do is that you can go on YouTube and you can type this, how to create a YouTube channel, and you can find hundreds of tutorials of people showing you step by step how you create your YouTube channel for free. Now, what you're going to do now in order for you to be able to create these videos that you're going to go ahead and then later upload them as a YouTube Shorts, what you're going to do is that you're going to go on TikTok, and what we're going to do is that we are going to take advantage of the upcoming elections, and we are going to use Donald Trump in order for us to generate traffic. Now, before we do that, we need to get the offer that we're going to promote. Now, the offer that we're going to use is an offer that is really hard right now in ClickBank. Now, what you're going to do is after you open your ClickBank account is that you're going to click on your account nickname. Keep in mind that your account nickname is going to be unique to you. You're going to create it or you're going to choose it while you are in the process of opening your ClickBank account. Now you're going to click on your account nickname and then you're going to go to Marketplace. On Marketplace, you're going to find on your left hand, you're going to find categories. The categories that you need to choose is that you need to click this category right here. I'm going to show you right now. It is this one right here that is called politics and current events. You're going to click on this category and you're going to find this offer. This offer, it is really hard right now, and this offer is paying up to $290. Now you need to go ahead and you need to get your affiliate link, but first I'm going to show you how this offer looks like. Now you can see this is the product or the offer that we're going to promote. Those are called Trump Diamond Box. This offer is doing great right now because a lot of people who like Donald Trump, they like to buy things from Donald Trump. So this is great. What you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and you're going to get your affiliate link. In order for you to get your affiliate link for this offer is that you're going to click this button that says promote, and over here on this part that says tracking ID, you're going to put YouTube Shorts. The reason you're going to put YouTube Shorts, it is because you want to make sure that this is working. So if you put YouTube Shorts right here, you're going to be able to track and to see if people are buying because they're finding your link through YouTube Shorts. Now you're going to click this button right here that says create hub link, and this is going to be your affiliate ID. You're going to copy this, and I want you to open a notepad, a note file, and I want you to put your affiliate ID over here, in the way you keep everything organized. Now, I also want you to copy and paste the offer name, in the way you know that the affiliate link belongs to this offer. And I want you to get a shorter URL. Now, in order for you to get this shorter URL, what you're going to do is that you're going to take your affiliate ID or your affiliate link, and you're going to go to this website that is called, let me see, it's somewhere right here. It's called Bitly. Bitly is 100% free, and you can create shorter URL. A shorter URL, it is a URL that it is more, it is smaller, and it is more, beautiful. So what you're going to do is that you're going to paste your affiliate link right here, and then you're going to create it. Let me show you exactly how this is done. We go ahead and I'm going to get my affiliate link, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going just to click this button that says create, and over here you can see that I got my shorter URL. Now, if I paste this shorter URL on the browser, you're going to see that it's going to redirect me with my affiliate, with my ClickBank ID. You see right here, in the way I get credit if people buy this product, to the offer. So it is very, very simple. Now, we have our affiliate link right here, and we have our shorter URL. Now it is time to start creating these videos. And you might be wondering, Carlos, this is excellent, but how do I create these YouTube Shorts videos without having to show my face or record more voice? And the process is simple. We're going to go on TikTok, and we're going to put something like this hashtag Trump. And what you're going to find is that you're going to find a lot of videos about Donald Trump that are very, very popular on TikTok, and you're going to find these accounts. Trump Nation, you see right here, and this is another one that's called the Trumpest. Now, this account, all they're doing is that they're uploading videos from Donald Trump that they find in different social medias, or maybe they watch the rallies or they watch the news, and then they get the videos, then they edit, and they get these small clips that they upload to TikTok, and then getting thousands and thousands of views. You see, this guy have gotten more than 12 million likes. They're getting an insane amount of traffic. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take advantage of these videos, and we're going to download these videos and upload them using YouTube Shorts to generate traffic for us. Now, in order for you to download any video from TikTok, let's see, we want to use this one right here. You're going to click the video, and then you're going to copy the link. And then you're going to go to this website. Let me show you the name of the website. Snacktick. And what this website does is that allows you to download any video from TikTok without watermark. All you need to do is that you need to paste the link for the video right here, and then you need to click this button, this green button that says download. You click on it, and over here, then you click this blue button that says download. And now you can see that it's downloaded, or is downloading. And then over here, I have it here in my computer. You see, I got a video ready. Now, what the other step that you have to do is that you're going to go on TikTok, and you're going to look for this Trump Diamond Box, and you're going to find other marketers promoting this Diamond Box. And what I want you to do is that I want you to download any of these videos like I show you. You click on the video, right? You click the link right here, copy link, and then you go to this website. You paste the link here, and then you download the video. In the way, we have the video that we're going to use to promote the Trump Diamond Box using, of course, our affiliate link. Now it is time to create these videos, or to edit these videos. What you're going to do is that you're going to go to this website that is called Canva. On Canva, you're going to look for YouTube Shorts Temple. This website, it is 100% free to use. So this is free, guys. You can do this today if you want. Now, what you're going to do is that you're going to click this right here that says create a blank YouTube Shorts. You click this temple, and over here, what you're going to do is that you're going to go right here where it says upload. You click on it, and then you upload files, and then you look for the videos, the two videos that you download download, which is going to be the video for Donald Trump and then the video for the Trump diamond box, which we're going to use to create our call to action. So I already uploaded the two videos. You see, I got one video for Donald Trump and then the diamond box. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click the Donald Trump video and I'm going to drag it right here. And then I'm going to make a fix. And then make sure that it fits nicely, guys. And now I got the Donald Trump video, and then I'm going to click the diamond box video and I'm going to drag it right here. Now you're going to see that we're going to find this from this marketer that is putting his call to action. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut this part. So okay, so right here, then in order for you to cut it, just right click it and then click this that says split page and then delete this part. And now you have your video, and all you need to do is that we need to add a call to action. What you're going to do in order for you to add a call to action, you're going to go right here where it says elements, and then you're going to click this. And you're going to drag it down, guys, right here. Then make it a little bigger and then all the way. Right here. We drag it down. It is excellent. Now we're going to go over here where it says text, and then we add this right here that says add a subheadline. We add one, and then we're going to change the color of the text to white, and then we make it a little bigger, guys. Make it a little bigger, and then just drag it down sometimes. Okay, so we drag it down right here, and then now we go ahead and create we're going to create our call to action. Click the link in the description to get your official Trump diamond box. Now we have our call to action. We just go ahead and bold it right here. That's perfect. And then what we're going to do is that we go ahead and we are going to just lower the transparency in the way they can see the video fine and read the text fine. Now I want you to see how the video looks like. So this is the video. We need to fix the right side of the video clearly. We go ahead and go back to Donald Trump, and then we see that the video is not working. Perfect. Now let's play it. And now we have our call to action. That's perfect. Now all you need to do is that you need to click this button that says download, and then you're going to download the video to your computer. You can see it's downloading. Now we're going to name the video Trump video, and we're going to save it. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to go on YouTube, and you're going to go to your YouTube channel and upload the video to YouTube. You click this button right here that says create, upload video, and over here you're going to click this button that says select file, and you're going to choose your video, and over here you're going to create a title, and you're going to add a description, and you're going to choose or you're going to choose relevant tags in the way your videos show for people who are looking for Donald Trump videos when they go on YouTube. So in order for you to be able to have success with this strategy, consistency, it is a key. Like you can see right here, there is hundreds and if not thousands of videos that you can find on TikTok, especially taking advantage of these accounts of Donald Trump that you can upload on YouTube Shorts with your call to action. And you can use Canva to edit this video and to edit these videos and add your call to action. Now, if you're looking for more ways that you can use to make money online, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave a playlist. The playlist contains the best tutorials that you can find online in order for you to make money. Guys, this is Carlos and I will see you on the next video. And do not forget to join my Facebook group. In that way, I can answer whatever question you might have or whatever concern you might have. I will see you on the next video.